got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It's about us, it's about trusting. What's love?
What's good, brother family? It's your girl Kiana.
And this your boy Elijah.
And today we are back with a mother freaking video. Okay, guys, as y'all read by the title, y'all know what this video is about. But before we do this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And turn your post notifications on so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Alright, guys, so we decided to do a soul food mukbang and sit down and talk to y'all. So,
It's not really so, it's a country food, really.
Whatever. So I cooked some greens, some baked potatoes, pork chops.
Baked potatoes?
I mean,
baked beans?
Baked beans, pork chops, cornbread, and macaroni. Well, he cooked the cornbread. So, yeah. And for a drink, we got water and this caffeine-free fresh. But we're going to eat a little bit because, y'all, we haven't ate all day. And it's like, what, 8 o'clock?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And waiting on him, the food.
What's wrong with the macaroni? You said...
I said I didn't like it.
There's nothing wrong with it.
I was just kidding. I just wanted you to try it. Yes, y'all. I put hot sauce and ranch on my stuff. My Jesus. Good?
Yep.
Yeah. But I'm on the end of the thing. Go. Whew.
You took my top off?
No, you did that. How did I take the top off?
It's caffeine free. Tastes like a regular crush.
Let me see.
It tastes just like a regular crush. Don't even do that.
With no sugar.
It got sugar in it. What do you mean?
Barely. Y'all, I think he old. No cap.
I'm old.
Oh, really good. Y'all finna try his cornbread.
I followed your steps.
Nice way. You didn't follow nothing.
I ain't care if you like them or not.
Wow. This time.
Yeah, this perfect. Doing mashed potatoes would have messed it up.
No problem. Y'all, we so hungry. We ain't nothing all day. I think I'm gonna finish my plate. What a bet.
You be drenching your stuff in hot sauce and ranch.
So.
Like,
Y'all here. Get your. I'm gonna be like Kiana. This is so good.
you gonna tell me about something?
Yeah, I am. I might eat a little bit. This is fire.
I ain't even tried this shit.
Huh?
I ain't even tried this shit.
I need some food. I mean, I need a ring. Rifle style.
Tyreek gonna hit him, but I know he finna smash.
And he seasoned the pork chops, y'all.
Why you looking like you get full?
Not, I tell you, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Only reason I hate pork chops because it's stuck in my brain. You getting full.
Not.
It's your.
Right now, I'm getting full.
Because every time you get full, your legs, you start shaking your leg.
Mm-hmm.
I guess you do.
I'm just eating too fast. I'm just eating too fast.
Stop eating fast. What are you eating fast for? I was gonna bake these pork chops, but then it's gonna take forever, so I was like, oh no. Yeah. You getting full.
I'm gonna shake my leg.
I know you.
The greens look like they better without all the juice in it.
Y'all, I did not know greens can really soak up. I had that thing on low. I guess how much. What? I'm getting full. JK.
You need to have it to your plate yet. No, my plate.
Just kidding. Alright guys, so since I got a little food in me, we can talk about this stubborn baby of yours. So guys, I decided to get induced. So if he don't come this weekend, today is Thursday. If he don't come this weekend on his own and get induced Monday, hopefully. The only reason I'm saying hopefully is because 9 times out of 10, only way I can't get induced is when they don't have a room for me. So I have to wake up at 5:30 in the morning, like I'm finna go to school or something, and call up there and make sure they have a room for me. And then I have to leave the house around like 6:20, 6:30. Probably a little bit earlier because
You can't eat nothing either.
nope. They gonna give they told me to be there before 7 o'clock. If I'm late, they gonna reschedule it. I said, God dang, even 1 minute? Yes. Like,
Please don't be late.
I'm not. But so yeah, I have to be there before 7 o'clock. So I have to probably leave the house around 6:20, 6:30 because that is a school day. So buses and traffic gonna be bad. So yeah, and then I'm not getting a freaking
Epidural.
yes. I'm not getting it, y'all. I'm gonna go natural because I'm scared. I just don't trust it. So yeah, how do you feel about me getting induced?
I'm just ready for him to be here.
I wish he can come. That's why I hope he come this weekend. Cause if he can't come if he come Monday, he can't come because he have to work. So
Yeah, my job won't let me off. They're a bunch of a-holes.
yeah. So it's gonna be me and my cousin, and we are gonna try to sneak and record for y'all. So stay tuned for that video. I'm nervous though. It's the pain for me. I don't know how I can do it. But I'm about to do it. But yeah, he's very, very stubborn. It's chilly. Like, I've been at 4
Centimeters.
4 centimeters for about what? Almost
2
a
weeks.
month.
Yeah.
Cause I got checked when I was 36 weeks, and I'm 38. Almost a freaking month, bro. That's crazy. And he head down and everything, so I just don't understand. I be walking, I be on my ball, I eat pineapples. Like, god dang.
Not really cool.
If he come this weekend, you gonna be nervous? What you gonna be nervous about?
Nothing. As long as he healthy.
You ain't gonna be nervous about nothing.
I ain't want going through the pain.
I'm talking about when you have to cut his cord.
Nope.
Yes, you are. Y'all,
How you gonna tell me what I'm gonna be?
you cutting his cord.
Okay. I don't mean I'm nervous though.
Huh?
I don't mean I'm nervous.
Y'all, I can see him now trying to cut the cord like this. It's not hard. They gonna guide you though. That's the thing. I don't understand why you're scared. Then you gotta do skin to skin.
You on this skin to skin stuff.
Huh?
I said you on this skin to skin stuff.
Really?
But it don't make me do it.
Most hospitals let you do skin to skin if you want to. I feel like it might be a big thing, you know? Because the doctor was like, when I went, got checked Tuesday, she was like, he's average size. And I'm just like, what the heck is the average size? So I asked, that was like 7 to 8 pounds. But I'm not that big.
At least he ain't 11 and stuff.
Hmm?
At least he ain't 11 pounds and stuff. That probably hurt pushing him out more.
Yeah. And especially because I keep saying he got a big head. And don't look at my head. He got this. That's from you.
My head is not big.
That's only because you got them plaques in your head. That's the only reason why. What I'm talking about. I'm going to take a good old nap.
This say go to sleep because it's 9 o'clock. You talking about nap. Who take a nap at 9 o'clock?
Oh, it's not?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Time be going by fast though. Like seriously. So this video is not gonna come out tonight. I'm sorry y'all. It's just not. So it's still gonna be called Soul Food Thursday.
But it's not coming out on Thursday.
It's coming out tomorrow, Friday. And y'all gotta give us some ideas because we really don't be knowing. And he act like he definitely don't know. Dang, my boy cleaned his plate.
Yep.
Somebody was hungry.
So, Nene in your green.
I didn't. I had more greens than you. Can I help you? Dang. Talk to them. I'm always talking to them.
Not when you do that.
What?
Talk to them. Oh, I was talking to them.
I am. I bet you they tell you that in the comments. Who y'all think he gonna look like?
Don't do that again. Don't do that again, Todd, bro.
I think he's gonna look like me and have my skin tone. Well, let me not say that because I don't want to get bashed like freaking Bianca. Remember that video? Boy.
That hot sauce is ranch. Dang.
Boy. And your son gonna come out liking it too. Watch. I'm gonna feed it
Then
to
you drench it too. Stop chewing like that.
Dang, tall.
This kind of made me look like I'm black, boy.
You are.
I'm not that black.
Yes, you are. Yes, sir.
That's crazy. I'm black. I'm black. No, like from my neck up, I'm black, but from down, I'm not. You see it?
Look at the camera.
You can see it. It's like my face is just black, but everything else
I'm
not.
just light skinned all around. I dare you eat some of this.
I'm not eating that.
If you eat some of this, I'll do anything you ask me.
I'm good.
Wow. Wow. And y'all, we haven't posted lately because lately I've been sleeping a lot. I don't know why. I honestly just been sleeping a lot. The other day I took like 4 naps. There was somebody sleeping. If the meal don't put your man to sleep, it wasn't that good. Ain't that right? Y'all, he's sleepy.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Oh. Samir's happy. Oh. Boy, he was having fun last night. Wonder what he was thinking about. Oh, now stop moving. Stop. It's like I'm talking about stuff. Why are you smiling? You being weird, bro. Oh my god. Why are you smiling? Oh no.
What?
Like protection in my booty.
Dang.
What?
Why you looking like that?
Huh? You have one in your booty.
I do.
You got something to tell me?
What do you feel like? Like you feel like you finna piss out a big boo boo?
No. Not gonna start pain this one in your booty hole.
Like somebody sticking a needle or something in your butt?
I don't know how that feels. How you know what that feel like?
I don't.
Yeah.
What do it feel like?
Your hair look like spider legs. He gotta lay him down, y'all. And he don't know how to act because you can shake him now.
Don't be putting that stuff in my head.
My hand is clean.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You just because you lick my own, it smells in my
I didn't lick
head.
him. Boy, don't be acting like that.
Don't be wiping that stuff in my head.
Dang, trying to act bougie and stuff. Cause you got
So fool yourself.
Cause you got a little shake. You got a little shake in his head. Don't know how to act. Shut up.
You gonna finish all that?
Trying to make a happy face, like a happy plate. A happy plate like you.
I ain't that quick.
Yeah, cause when I looked at the camera, it was only like 9 minutes in.
I ate that in 9 minutes.
Minus the intro. So the intro probably was a minute.
So I probably ate it in like 5 minutes.
8 minutes.
8 minutes.
8 to 7
No.
minutes. Probably less. You wonder why you get full so fast.
Because I drunk these.
You just drank that water.
Huh? No, I drank it in the middle when I was in. Because like some got stuck and I didn't want to drink that. I know you just got full. The water fill you up and I know you just got full.
I did. Oh, y'all can't see. Oh my god. No,
Yes, sir. I got a forehead.
I don't. I got a 3 head. Let's bet money.
On what?
Who is this Amir gonna look like?
He already got your nose. Everybody can see that.
That's all he got.
He got my feet.
Mm-hmm.
I got a feeling he finna come out long though, for real. Like, he gonna be a long baby.
Bruh, when I tell y'all, especially I think when you stretch it out, he make my stomach look like a square.
That's what I'm saying. He getting crammed up in there.
Yeah, and I'm getting cramped up too. A lot of grams. I don't think he like us talking about him.
I'm gonna get mad if he grow taller than me though.
Sit down. I'm taller than you. That's gonna be catastrophic. He gonna be like, come here. Man, what? That's gonna be tough. You gonna feel ashamed, but you gonna do put some heels on. That's gonna be tough.
He don't look taller than me.
But 9 times out of 10, he not. Usually,
He gonna probably start at the same height as me.
yeah, he take out after the.
What?
Oh my god, fool, I can't think. Usually the baby take after the mom or the dad. It just depends. Cause I asked the doctor how much you think he'll weigh, and she's like, it's usually between the mom and dad weight. I was a 7-pound baby.
I don't know how. I'm gonna know what.
You were 7 pounds. Your mom told me. So he probably gonna be between 6 and 7, which is good. Gonna be a big baby. What sport do you want to play?
You already know it's what I want to play.
What?
Football.
No.
If you're gonna say
Tell
no,
you.
why ask me?
I honestly forgot. I can't think right now. Y'all, can y'all please tell him basketball is more safe than
Nah, football or baseball.
Can you tell him basketball is more safe than football? First of all, basketball, you're not even supposed to be touching nobody anyways.
You still can get hurt in that sport.
Yeah, by spraining your ankle or something. But football, you have to touch.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you gotta tackle. Like, no. I'm gonna be one of the moms to go on the field. Don't you tackle my son again.
I just broke his bone.
I know. They're like, what are you doing?
I didn't know it was a bone at first.
But yeah, so, and then with baseball, he could get hit in that area. You know how,
You know baseball players make more money than football and basketball players though?
yes. Do you not know how hard those balls is?
I played baseball on rec, you know.
Boy, quit the cow.
I played rec baseball. You don't believe me, do you?
No, call your mom that.
I was number one in them.
What? Why would you spit on the plate?
My plate. I was number one in everything. There was only 2 black people on the team, me and my other friend.
You said you played freaking football.
I played rec baseball too. Let me see.
He be lying, y'all. This is she answer.
Mom,
Yeah.
didn't I play rec baseball?
Yeah.
We doing a video and she didn't believe me.
What?
Oh,
She didn't believe I played rec baseball. Told you it was only 2 black people on the team, me and my other friend.
Show her my stomach.
Mm-hmm.
Told you.
Show her.
Look, you hit a home run and that's when a side got
Boy.
straight on and I missed it.
I know. That's all I asked though. We doing a video.
Let me see your hair.
He need to tie it down.
Okay, that's cool.
You need a haircut.
Show her my stomach. Look at my stomach.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh,
like he's stretched out, ain't he?
He gonna be long.
I think he is too.
He gonna be a long baby.
Look at it there.
Okay, y'all heard it. He played baseball. Hey, he made a home run. Look at him. Yeah. Why you stop? Bruh, you nasty. No, don't try to hide him. He already seen. Why you stop playing? You could have played in freaking middle school. Alright guys, so we're about to end this video. We did almost a 30-minute video for you guys. Ain't y'all proud of us? Ain't you proud of us? Yeah. Tomorrow we're probably gonna film Do a baby mama dance. He don't want to do it, but he's gonna do it. Period.
Me dancing?
You going? I feel like you're gonna dance like Damien.
He did.
Yes, I'm gonna show you. But but yeah, guys, if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Put your thumbs up. Mine's bigger. Give it a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below what y'all want us to do next. Follow us on all our social media. Follow us on our family channel. On our family Instagram, because if we don't post anymore after this video, it's 9 times out of 10 because the baby is here. Okay? So yeah. And y'all can stay updated by following us on our Instagram. I'm gonna pop it up here. And it's only gonna get lit from here. And make sure you share this with your grandma. Make sure you share with your grandma, your auntie,
Your cousin,
your uncle.
your baby mama.
Everybody, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell button, so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. And it's only gonna get lit from here on.
Her toes.
Bye, you guys.
Got to do with it.